Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's take a look at some length, left, and right functions. Okay, use length to get the number of character in text. Type in length A2 in the field below to get the length of the text in A2. That's how you get the length of this text. Okay. Oops, sorry. Parenthesis. There you go. Use left to get the leftmost character of some text. Type in equal left A2 4 to return for leftmost character in the text, which is Mike in this case. Because as you can see, Mike is like the first four character, M-I-K-E. Okay. Next, right function return the rightmost character of some text. Try using right to return Johnson. Okay. For this one, go equal right. You don't have to write in cap, just write to be fine. And then how many character, where's it? It's gonna be A2. Right, and how many characters Johnson? It should be 7. So that's how you get Johnson from that. And then what would length A2 return? Don't forget space, because space count as a space as a character too. So for this one, you got Mike is 4, 1 space, and then Johnson. So that's 4 plus 1 plus 7, which is 12. Right? Use a combination of left and right to return love from this text right here. So the first thing you need to do is, it doesn't matter which one you want to use first. You either can use the right or the left function first. So let's say if I use the right function first, right? That's the function, right? And then of course I have the comma in the middle, right? So in order for me to get the right of a text, so I have to, if I want to get love from a right function, the text need to be I space love only, right? So that's gonna be 4 character on the right. So it's gonna be 4. But what is my text? My text is I space love. In order for me to get that I space love, I need to use the left function. So I'll go left, right? And then again, go open and close parenthesis and space. So how can I get I love? I get I love by getting 6 character from the text A2. Right? So combine the right and the left function, right? In this way, I can get the love out. Right? And then the length function with the cell that will return 5. Which one is going to return 5? It's going to be Mike, James, or Joshua. So here it's going to be equal length, right? And then A2 to return 5. Right? Next, use the right function to return the words. So it's going to be equal right, open parenthesis. Which one is going to be C2, right? And then how many words? 5. How many characters? I mean 5. So that's how you return words. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Now we're going to have the mid function. So the mid function in Excel return text from the middle of another string of text. The way left and right return the leftmost and the rightmost character from a string of text. The first argument is the original string of text. The second argument is the number of characters at which you want to start extracting text. And the third argument is the number of characters you want to extract. So for example, equal mid, hello, space, comma 2, comma 3, return 3 character from the string hello, starting at character number 2, right? What would the formula returns? Now, you're going to return 3 character, right? And you're going to start with character number 2, which is ELLO. So 3 character, it's going to be ELL, right? ELL, because it's going to be like position number 2 is E, and then 3 character after that also. So that's the answer, right? Mid A3, comma 2, comma 3, return 3 character from the string in cell A3, starting at character number 2. What would the formula return here? Okay, so mid A3, so first you want to look at A3, which is orange, starting at position number 2, which is R, and then return 3 characters, RAN. So RAN, right? There we go. What would mid B5, comma 4, comma 2 return? So B5 is lettuce, starting at position number 4, which is LETT, the second T, and then you want 2 characters, so it's TU. Right? What would mid A5, comma 1, comma 5 return? So here A5 watermelon, position number 1 is W, and then 5 characters, so it's just water. So WATER. Right, and then write a mid function formula that would return pin using the cell reference in the table below. So where are you gonna look at pin? So it should be, where can you find, right here, Spanish. So first of all, you can be equal mid, right? And then you can have 2 commas, right? The first one is where it's gonna come from. It's gonna come from B4, right? What position it's gonna be? It's gonna be P, so it's gonna be position number 2 because P started number 2, and then how many character? 3, right? So it's pin is 3. There we go. Write a mid function formula that would return Larry using the reference below. So again, just type in the function first, put the auto format, comma, comma, right? And then where we're gonna find that Larry. Not here, not here, not here, here, right? Right here, celery. So it's gonna be a B3, coming from B3, right? So you target that, and it's gonna be L, so that's position number 3, and then how many characters after that? 4, right? Okay. I write a mid formula that would return south using the reference below. So again, mid, comma, comma. I mean parentheses, comma, comma. Where is south coming from? It's gonna be, there's 2 ways to it, but we're using mid function. We can actually use this one as well, but then since they're asking for mid, it's better to just use this one. So we can use, we can target A1, right? And then what position we're starting? NEW, comma, south, so it's 5, comma, right? And then how many characters? 5. So this was one of them if we target this field, but then we can also target A6. See, and then but then instead of like 5 and 5, it's gonna be like A6, 1 and 5, because it's starting with position 1. 1 and 5. There we go. A6, right? A6, 1 and 5 were 2. Oops. A6, 1 and 5. Oh, they don't allow you to go there? I think they want us to do the other one, 5 and 5. There we go. I think the 1 and 5 will return the same thing. I think the question is self-asked for that one. Okay, and then we're gonna do some practice to get through. So the left function returns specific number of characters from left. Here, what's left here? So in G2, you can just type this in, and then since it's gonna be left of this C4, it's gonna be 5 characters, so it's gonna be CATSK. CATSK. The right function returns this number of characters from the right of the string. In cell 3, try this one. They said G2, but I'm just going to put G3. So the right function is like right here, 3 characters from this one on the right, so it's going to be EK. Right. The length function return a number of characters. Try length A1, A2, I mean. So A2 is that one, so it's going to be 6 characters. Body 6. Right? And then the mid function return text of a specific length from the middle of the larger one. The formula start here, so you're gonna go mid, right? The next one, so mid of this, right? Starting at position 2, which is A, and then 6, so it's gonna be ASIC, comma, ASIC space C, ASIC space C, right? And then mid function returns. What does this function return? So here, right, mid of that, a body, like position 2 is L, B, A, N, 4 characters, so it's gonna be L, B, A, N. Right, what does this one return? So let's see again. This one, rainbow trout, starting position 1 and 4 characters, so it's gonna be rain. This is like the same as the one that we tried to do earlier. They just didn't like that formula in that example. And what does this return? Sorry, this one, mid of Catskill Creek again, but then starting position number 4, which is the S, and then 7 character after, so it's gonna be SKILL space C, SKILL space C, 7 character. Okay, and that should be it for the length, left, right, and mid practice and function. So thank you for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe so that I can bring this to more viewers. Okay, thank you and see you next time.